Hey guys, welcome to Hattiesburg Cycles. My name's Dustin. I'm the accessory advisor here at Hattiesburg Cycles. Today we're going to talk about Highlifter products. Highlifter has been the leader in ATV and UTV aftermarket products for over 20 years now. More or less today we're going to focus on their Signature Series lift kits. The Signature Series lift kits is their most popular series of lifts. They do come with a lifetime warranty, and they are very, very strong, durable metal that is going to be placed together to relocate your shocks to a better point to allow for larger, more aggressive tires to fit on your machine. This particular kit I have here fits a 2015 Razor 900S. It is a very common lift for us. We do also install them on just about any other machine that we offer. They are very easy to install, and with the lifetime warranty, they are a great product to use. And I'm Dustin. If you ever have any questions about it, just let me know and we can fix you up for your machine.
If you have any questions or comments, go to HattiesburgCycles.com and click on the Contact Us page or stop by our shop. Hattiesburg Cycles, Mississippi Outdoor Superstore, 6412 Highway 49 in Hattiesburg, Mississippi.